Okay, time for some complex questions. Here we go. So we have 110 degrees here, and we're solving for x, and the diagram gives us some clues. We've got a set of parallel lines going this way, and then two parallel lines going in a more vertical direction. All right. Well, say I've got 110 here. I could use the F rule and say that here's my letter F, and that means that this angle here is 110. And then I could use another F rule, but going this way. Watch this. That way and this way. So I'm using an F in that direction, and that's valid. You're allowed to do that. In fact, you're allowed to use the F rule like that, or the F rule like that. Any manipulation of that is fine. Okay? So if that's 110, this is 110, which makes this x equal to 110 also. All right, let's have a go at question 7. We need to solve for A, B, and C given two sets of parallel lines. Okay, well, I could say that the C rule applies here. Alright, remember the C rule. The C rule says that both angles will sum to 180 degrees. So if I put the letter D in here, I could say the letter D is equal to 180 take away 120, which is 60 degrees. And I'll just go ahead and put that right in. That's 60. And I could use the F rule in this way and say that this 50 is also over here. And I could use the F rule again and solve for C. C is 50 degrees. Watch this. Here's my F rule again. I'm going to draw an F going this way, and this way. So the F looked like this. That's the way I just drew it. This is 50, this is 50. So C is 50 degrees. Excellent. We're making progress because I've just worked out that's 60, that's 50. I can solve for B now, because B is on a straight line where this is 60, this is 50, and B is over here. B is going to be 180 take away 60 take away 50, which is the same as 180 take away 110, which is 70 degrees. So B is 70 degrees using supplementary angles. Right, and so we've got one more to go now. We need to solve for A. I could use this straight line here and say that A, B, and C are supplementary angles, where C is 50, B is 70, and A is going to be the difference between 180, 50, and 70. So let's subtract 50, subtract 70, and we get 180 is the same as subtracting 120. A must be 60 degrees. And that makes sense because 60 degrees is there and A is here, and those two angles are vertically opposite each other. Remember the X rule that says their vertically opposite angles are equal, so that confirms our answer is correct. Let's do some more questions.